Welcome back!
Welcome back.
My name is Linn.
And I'm Fanny.
And we are the faces of the Gina Home collection that launched a couple of weeks ago.
Exactly.
And now we're back. And we are about to show you a little bit of a DIY project.
Exactly, which we love too, because this is such a good way to just experiment at home.
Yeah, it's so easy to do also. Yeah. And we...
Or hopefully.
Yeah, this is our first time. And we are very excited because it's the twirl candles.
Yes, and it's so trendy right now. I mean, I bet you've seen it all over Instagram.
Yeah, and it's so hard to find.
Yeah.
So, but now we are making them by ourselves. And
Exactly.
hopefully you too soon. Step 1, perfect candle. Stearine and paraffine candle.
Yes.
Very important. And step 2.
Step 2, a vase or a form that are able to handle heat.
And step 3, hot water, but not boiling, because then they will melt.
Exactly.
And it's too cold, it will not soften up.
Exactly, but you can feel it. I mean,
Yeah.
you'll know. Let's try it.
Yeah, it's time, and I'm very excited.
So here the softies are.
So now it's been 20 minutes, and these are feeling good.
Very good.
So I think first you have to like press them.
Okay, I want to do the pink one.
Yeah, I do the purple one. Then you press them where you want to twirl them.
So cozy.
I know, almost feel like Christmas.
I was just gonna say that.
Now I
I'm
think,
gonna do it like this too. Okay, you have to be super careful.
wow. So this is what happens if they're not too wet or have been in too long, they break.
Good.
Wow!
Wow.
We did it! Almost!
Almost. Yeah,
Mine
but
is a little bit
but that
bigger.
looks cool as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love when they don't look perfect.
No, I love that too.
It's more artsy. Yes.
Those that are like,
Oh yeah. I know exactly what you're about to do.
they can stand by themselves.
I have to make.
Call me candle designer.
So I think you have to be quite quick
Yeah.
when you have put them out from the water, because you don't want them to start to dry.
I'd say this was my success.
Yeah. This one too, but it broke. This one is cool too.
Yeah. I like these together.
Yeah.
As I'd say that this was super easy.
Perfect for a Sunday.
Yes, and I will work on this one.
Yeah.
Because I think this will be really cool as well. So we'll continue this because we have a few more to do.
I think I will decorate my entire home with them because they are turning out so pretty. And thank you so much for watching. It was so fun to do this, and I hope you enjoyed it and that you will try it at home.
And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Goodbye, see you soon again.